People move to Bowling Green thinking it's going to be cheap until they see their first month of bills. Today, I'm giving you the real, honest cost of living breakdown for 2026 so you know exactly what to expect before making a move. I'm Nikki Adams, a realtor here in Bowling Green, and I help people relocate, buy, and sell with a strategy that fits their lifestyle and budget. So let's dive in. Bowling Green's overall cost of living is still below the national average. If you're coming from places like Nashville or Chicago or bigger markets in Florida, it will likely feel more affordable. If you're coming from a smaller, more rural town, it may feel a little higher than expected. Housing is the biggest monthly cost. Most homes right now are in the low 300,000s, and rent typically sits around $1,300 to $2,000 a month, depending on size and location. You still get more space here compared to most larger cities, which is a huge benefit for buyers and relocators. Utilities can surprise some people. Between electric, water, trash, gas, and internet, many households land somewhere between $250 and $400 a month, depending on the home size and the time of the year. Kentucky summers are humid, so cooling costs definitely matter. Groceries here are generally below the national average, which helps offset some of the other rising costs. We have plenty of options like Kroger, Meijer, Walmart, and a new Publix is currently under construction, which will give everyone even more variety once it opens. Dining out also tends to be more affordable than what you might find in larger metro areas, which can help stretch your budget. One of the biggest lifestyle benefits here is transportation. Most commutes are 10 to 20 minutes, which means less gas, less stress, and more time in your day compared to larger cities. Kentucky property taxes are generally lower than many states, which helps with affordability, but homeowners insurance, auto insurance, and interest rates all impact your monthly payment, so it's important to budget for those pieces as well. So what do people actually spend? A lot of singles here live comfortably on a monthly budget in the low to mid 2000s, depending on rent and lifestyle. Families can vary a lot more, especially depending on home size and childcare, but many land anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000 monthly. So is Bowling Green still affordable? Compared to many big places people relocate from, yes, it still offers strong value. Affordable doesn't mean cheap. It means you typically get more space, slower pace, and a better quality of life without the price tag of a major city. If you're thinking about moving to Bowling Green and want help figuring out which neighborhoods fit your lifestyle and budget best, I'd love to help you build a game plan. Make sure to subscribe for more buying, selling, and lifestyle videos here in Bowling Green. I post new content every week.